everyone, I'm Lauren from A Menagerie of Stitches. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to decrease. I like to use this technique to decrease when I'm only working flat pieces. I prefer an invisible decrease when working in the round, but this technique can be used for both. While you can definitely use this method when working in the round, just keep in mind that your decrease will be much more noticeable. To begin, I'm going to insert my hook into the stitch under both loops, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Then I'm going to insert my hook into the next stitch under both loops, yarn over, and pull through. And I'll have 3 loops on my hook. To complete the decrease, I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Let's do that again. Insert your hook into the stitch under both loops, yarn over and pull through. Insert your hook into the next stitch under both loops, yarn over and pull through. 3 loops are on your hook, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And that's how you make a decrease. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and free patterns. Happy crocheting, friends!